To show you how to make dried flower bunches. Now you must be sure that the material that you have to start with is good product. Don't start with rubbishy product, otherwise you end up after a week it all dies and you're disappointed. So today we've chosen hydrangeas. Now these are being treated and dried, and if you see them, they're soft. They're not sort of, when hydrangeas dry, they go all brittle and fall apart. So these have been treated so they stay together. So I'm going to start with dried roses. These roses have been treated and dried in a heat room. We've got huge heat rooms and we put them in and they dry over 2 days. These are mini roses. They are main roses and these are mini roses. And we're going to put the two into the posy. Now, this is your chance to make something of yours. Make it here so that we can show you and you can take it home. Next, we're going to use treated gypsophila. Again, has been treated so that when you see it, it is soft and it doesn't go all brittle and fall apart. That is the secret for dried flowers, to make sure that you buy treated product. We've put it around the posy next, and I'm going to show you how to do that and put the rest of the stuff in. Now, I've got helichrysums that have grown in the gardens here. They're quite a common flower, but they've got beautiful colour. The colour is important. Their stems are a little bit soft, but we just push it through the hydrangeas very carefully and pop it in like that. The secret is to have it so that you want something that's going to last for you for 12 months or more. You need to make sure that you get time value out of your flowers. So we put them around like that next. The flowers will be laid out for you so that you can choose if you want to make a pink one or orange one or whatever. We will make a selection of colours available so you can choose what colour you want to have in your house. This one is pink and blue, which is probably the most popular one. Using pink statice, again it's soft and beautiful. Next we're going to add lavender. Beautiful lavender. Some was grown here and some were grown at a lavender farm in Te Awamutu. So we brought in hundreds of bunches of lavender. Again, it's been treated so that you get the smell, a lovely smell. It's important that your dried flowers have a smell as well. So we just add this lavender. Now, we can make all this available to make this posy. Now this is yellow diamond, what they call yellow diamond. It's of the statice family again, and again it's been treated so that you put that softly around the outside so that we get a nice soft edge. You want it to look pretty and soft. So we just go carefully and all this material will be laid out for you so that you can just make it. Makes life a little very easy, doesn't it? Here we go. So this is what we're going to create. This is a mesh, and you gather it in at the back like that. You sit your posy down and you gather it in at the back like that. Halfway round, so that it goes halfway round like that. Then the other half goes round the front edge, so that we get a nice gathered posy like that. Now some people will want that on there and some people won't. But we'll show you how to do it so that you can take that home, and it may be for yourself or it may be a gift for somebody. I'm tying it with a natural raffia bow so that it's got a natural look about it. As natural as we can get it, so that it is a New Zealand product and it is beautiful and soft and lasting. There we go. The product is all grown in New Zealand. It is all New Zealand product. Gum, roses, helichrysums, statice, gypsophila, carthamus, all grown here, dried and treated. The treatment is really important because dried flowers just don't dry by themselves. They go brown and screw up and horrible. So you need to buy treated product. It's very, very important. Don't let anybody tell you that you can do it in a hot water cupboard, because you can't.